Hello everyone, you're on HMD Study channel and we are here for chapter number 3, admission of partner, practical problem number 6. Rushali and Leena are equal partners. Equal partners means two partners are there, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 will be their old ratio. Okay, the balance sheet is given and they decided to admit Aparna. Aparna is new partner and all the adjustments are given. The Aparna's share is 1/4 and she have bought 60,000 rupees as his capital. The above adjustments are for appreciation and appreciation or depreciation of some assets. And lastly, it is written that the capital accounts of all the partners to be adjusted in the proportion of new profit sharing ratio. It means we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio, okay, and it is adjusted towards by opening the current account of the partner. Same procedure as we do new partners, profit sharing ratio, the total capital of the firm, its distribution, and their current account, their capital account will be adjusted through current account. Okay, so what you have to prepare? You have to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and balance sheet. Prepare the account in this way in the books of the firm, profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and balance sheet as on 1st April 2018. See what the adjustment says. The machinery and building to be depreciated by 10%. So we'll go for machinery first. Machinery's amount is 24,000. We'll go to balance sheet. Asset side, writing machinery, the amount is 24,000. Depreciation is always deducted, so less depreciation at 10%. You know that 24,000's 10% will be 2400. How? We have cancelled a 0 here. For 10% we always cancel a 0. So no need to calculate separately. 2400 will be the amount of depreciation. And after deduction 24,000 minus 2400, it will be 21,600. Now this is depreciation. So we write profit and loss adjustment account debit side, the depreciation entry. To machinery account we will write to machinery account and the amount of depreciation, that is 2,400. Along with machinery, building is also depreciated. Amount of building is 55,000. Same way, asset side, write building 55,000 less depreciation at 10%. Again 10% depreciation means we will cancel a 0, that means 5,500. So 55,000 minus 5,500 will be 49,500. Now this depreciation entry to the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account, writing to building account, and the amount of depreciation, that is 5,500, will be written here. After this, reserve for doubtful debt to be increased by 5,000. This is very important to understand here. Reserve for doubtful debt in the question is already given 1,000 and here it is mentioned that it is increased by 5,000. For this, what we have to do, we'll go to the asset side, we'll write the debtors amount as it is, and instead of 1,000 RDD, 1,000 plus 5,000 will be 6,000. It means 6,000 will be deducted from the debtors in the asset, and the second entry that we passed of RDD to the profit and loss adjustment account will be of 5,000 only, as it is increased 5,000 and 1,000 is already in the book. Okay, so 5,000 second entry will pass to the debit of profit and loss adjustment account. So first of all we'll go to asset. So write debtors to the asset, older amount 31,000 less RDD. The older amount of RDD was 1,000 and now it is increased by 5,000. It means total of 6,000 will deduct out of it. 31,000 minus 6,000 will be 25,000. And the second effect of the RDD goes to debit of profit and loss adjustment account to RDD account, and the amount of increased, that is 5,000, will be here. Next is bills receivable are taken over by Rushali at 10%, at discount of 10%. Rushali's partner, it means partner has taken over the bills receivable at 10%. The amount of bills receivable is 10% discount. The amount is 12,000. First of all, the partner has taken over the bills receivable. So partner's capital account debit side to bills receivable account. Vrushali has taken over it and at 10% discount. So we'll calculate it, okay? In the working note, 10% discount on bills receivable. The amount of bills receivable is 12,000. So 12,000's 10% will be 1,200. It means 12,000 minus 1,200 will be 10,800. So Rushali has taken over it in 10,800 rupees. Therefore Rushali's account 10,800 and the discount of 1,200 is given. It means it is the loss of the company, okay, the loss of the firm. Therefore this discount or this loss to write to the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account, writing to bills receivable account, in bracket you can write discount, okay, and the amount of discount is 1,200 as it is loss for the partnership firm. After this, Aparna should bring rupees 60,000 as capital for 1/4 share in future profit. It means she has bought 60,000 as capital. So the entry will be passed here as bank account debited. Here you can see asset bank account. Therefore, we'll write just bank account. Okay. So bank account debited to new partner's capital account or bank account debited to Aparna's capital account. We have not prepared bank account, but we do have Aparna's capital account. So by bank account, in Aparna's column, we'll write 60,000. This amount 60,000 will be added in cash. We'll just separately write the amount of cash. Okay, so 60,000 cash. We are doing this for so that we'll get the total amount of cash and that can be transferred to the asset side as cash balance. Next, the capital account of all the partners to be adjusted in their proportion of new profit sharing ratio by opening current account. So new profit sharing ratio, total capital will do. Show the working note for the calculation of new ratio. New ratio is equals to old ratio into balance of 1. So balance of 1 will go for first. Balance of 1 is equals to 1 minus new partner share. Okay, so 1 minus new partner share is given in adjustment number 3. Okay, so it is 1/4. So calculate this now. We'll make the denominators equal. Nothing is down. It means 1. So we can make 1 as 4. Okay, same upside. Okay, 4 ones are 4 upon 4 ones are 4 minus second fraction as it is 1/4. Now the denominators are equal. Write it once. 4 minus 1 is 3. So balance of 1 is 3/4. Now new ratio of Rushali. Rushali's new ratio. New ratio's formula was old ratio into balance of 1. Old ratio is equal ratio. It means 1/2 and 1/2. Okay. So old ratio of Rushali 1/2 into balance of 1 is 3/4. So 3 ones are 3 upon 4 twos are 8. Rushali, after Rushali, Leena. Same. Old ratio is 1/2 into balance of 1 is 3/4. So 3 ones are 3 upon 4 twos are 8. The new ratio of Rushali is 3/8. Leena's 3/8 and the share of new partner was 1/4, but the denominators are not common. We'll make it common. Okay, so we can make 4 as 8, 4 2s are 8, same up. Okay, it will become 2 ones are 2 upon 4 twos are 8. So new partner's share will be 2/8. All in all 3/8, 3/8 and 2/8. This is our new profit sharing ratio. Now the total capital of the firm formula, reciprocal of new partner share into new partner's capital. New partner share is 1/4 and reciprocal will be 4/1 and 4/1 means 4 only. New partner has bought the capital as 60,000 rupees. So 60,000 into 4, 2,40,000. This 2,40,000 will be distributed among the partners in the new profit sharing ratio. So distribute this amount to Rushali first. Rushali, okay. 2,40,000 into 3 upon 8. See what comes. The next is after Rushali is Leena. For Leena, how will you distribute? 2,40,000 into the new share 3 upon 8. And for third partner, that is new partner, what is the name? Aparna. For Aparna, no need to calculate, as her capital amount is already given as 60,000. Okay, so go for Rushali. It will be 90,000. Same for 90,000, and it is already 60,000. So 90,000, 90,000 and 60,000. This distribution will be shown to the partner's capital account debit side, writing to balance carried down 90,000, 90,000 and 60,000. This is also shown here to the liability side, writing capital accounts. Write the names of 3 of the partners, Rushali, Leena and Aparna. Write it fully. Okay, and write the amounts in the inner column, 90,000, 90,000 and 60,000, and the total of it, that is 2,40,000. So these adjustments are done. Now we'll go for the remaining items transfer. Okay, to the liability side we'll transfer sundry creditors, capitals and general reserve. Okay, so sundry creditors as it is to the liability, capitals will be transferred to the credit side of partner's capital account by balance brought down, and general reserve will be distributed amongst the all partners in the old ratio, transferring to the credit side of partner's capital account. Sundry creditors to the liability side, 90,000 outer column. The balances of the partners by balance brought down, 45,000 and 30,000, and general reserve is distributed. The total amount of general reserve given in liability side is 18,000 and profit sharing ratio is equal, therefore 9,000 and 9,000. Now coming to the asset, cash in bank. This is opening balance of cash 60,000, 62,000. So write it here separately, 62,000 to get the balance of cash. Now the debtors are already done, building is done, machinery is done, and bills receivable is also done. Okay, this cash, we can write the balance of cash now to the asset side, as no adjustments further is given. Okay, so the total of cash was 60,000 and 62,000. It will be 1,22,000. So this balance of cash will show to the asset cash 1,22,000. So that's it about transferring of all these things. Now we'll go for the closings of account. First of all, we'll close the revaluation account. We'll take the total of revaluation, nothing in credit side, but there are entries in debit side. So we'll take the total of this. This side will only be the greater side. Take the total, it will be 14,100. Transfer this to the opposite side, and nothing is here to deduct, so same balance will come of 14,100. Writing, go 2 lines up and write by loss on revaluation account, or you can write by loss on profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, and now this 14,100 has to distribute amongst all partners, Rushali and Leena, in the old ratio, and the distribution profit sharing ratio is half. That means 1/2 and 1/2. So we can make it half. 14,100, it will be 7,050 and 7,050. It means 7,050 rupees and 7,050 rupees for both the partners, divided equally. Okay, 14,100 is divided equally. Now this will be transferred to the opposite side here, writing to loss on revaluation account, to loss on revaluation account. Okay, now Rushali 7,050, 7,050 and 7,050 for Leena. This is done. Now we'll close the partners capital account. We'll go for the closings of partners capital account here. Rushali's column, debits column, take the total of debit column and take the total of credit column, Rushali's. Okay, debit side you will get 1,07,850 and credit side's total is 54,000, correct? So debit side is greater, the total of debit side is greater, therefore we'll write the total here 1,07,850. Transfer it to the opposite side, 1,07,850. Now 1,07,850 minus the total of it, that is 54,000. So 53,850 will be the balance, and it is written in the last adjustment that it has to be adjusted towards current account. So therefore we'll name it as by partners current account, by partners current account. Okay, now we'll go for the closings of Lena. Take the total of debit side and credit side, find the greater one. The total of debit side will be the greater, it will be 97,050 and this is 12,000. So this side is greater, so 97,050, transfer it opposite side, 97,050 minus 12,000, it will be 85,050 rupees. Going towards Aparna, this 8550 is already named as current account. Okay, Aparna will be tallied, the same amount is to the given to the both the sides, 60,000 and 60,000. So no balance of Aparna. Now this current account, this partner's current account will be shown to the balance sheet asset side, as this amount is to recover from the partners. Okay, so writing to the asset side, partners current account, write it fully, I don't have place here. So partners current account, first is Rushali and second is Lena. The Rushali's balance is how much? 53,850 and Lena 85,050. Take the total out in the outer column. The total is 1,11,900. Now take the total of assets outer column and liability outer column. The total of asset is 3,30,000 and liability is also 3,30,000. So in this way we have tallied the amount. So present your solution in this way, showing the working notes properly.